Namaskaram and welcome in our Salesforce Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, we will understand the basic concepts and the things that are there in the Salesforce org. So let's get started. First of all, what we have to do is we have to type login.salesforce.com, and once we are here, we have to put our username and password that we created in our last videos. So once we click on login, it will redirect us in the home page. So right now we are here in the setup, but what we have to do is we have to navigate to the sales part. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand this thing in setup. Normally in future, whatever customization that we will do it, we'll do it from here. But right now it's not useful for us. So what we are doing is we are navigating to sales app. For that one over here, this is our app launcher. Okay, these 9 dots are app launcher. So once we click on it, it will show the different apps that are available in Salesforce. Do not relate these apps with the mobile apps that are available. Okay, do not relate with that one. It's not like those mobile apps. These are completely different. These are, we can just say, like group of functionality basically. So Salesforce is calling them as a app. Okay, now over here what you should do is you just type sales. That's it, and you can just pick this one. Now you will be in our Salesforce sales app. Right now we have selected sales app. Again, app launcher is there. If you want to go to navigate to other app, let's say I'm just want to navigate to the service, so I can again just type it and it will be there. So I can just pick it, that one. So this is how you can navigate to different apps. Right now we are in our service app. Let's again go back to the sales. So over there we'll do some practice. So as of now, let's just go back to the sales. Again, I am navigating back to sales app. Over here, if we come, then one thing that we need to understand very clearly is that this is our home page. Okay, this is the sales home page. So normally we'll call it as a home page. Now these are the different tabs are available. Okay, in future we will understand all these tabs, what actually these are, how they are working. But right now what we can understand is these are our tabs. Okay, as we do have the tabs in Chrome, same type of things is available over here also. So we can perform different kind of functionalities. But once we get good understanding of our Salesforce platform only, we will be able to make it. So that's why right now I am not discussing much about it. But like if you can just navigate to the different tab, different functionalities are available, and you can just start utilizing it. So right now opportunity is there, lead is there, task, files, contact, all these different things are available. So you can just navigate to all these different things. Right now I'm just going to the account, and here is our account. So I'll just try to explain the basic concept of Salesforce through a sheet, how actually a business is running or it's doing, but we'll cover that part in the next video. Right now, what we will try to do is we'll just try to create few records and understand how actually the process is happening. So if I come to the accounts tab and click on the new button, this is the new button, and then I can just create a new record or row for this one basically. So let's say I'm just creating a new record. Let's say Jagruti Gurukul. Okay, Jagruti Gurukul, and I can fill the other fields also. So we are calling these as a other fields. So all these are the fields basically. So right now we just fill our basic and simple field called name, account name we can call, and this is the information that we fill. All these other fields or like inputs, we are just keeping it blank, and then once we click on save, that time it will save the record and it will navigate us to this record page. So we will call this particular screen as a record page. So we need to understand it very clearly because in future we will use it. So this is our record page. If we come here, then this is the record that we created. This is the name. And if you see, all the other information is also available over here. Now let's say if our website is available, then I can just put like that website also, Jaguruti gurukul.org, or other information if I want to give those one also I can put it over here. I just say over here, then you can just pick anything. So I'm just saving the information, actually nothing, I'm not doing anything at all, just saving this information. Once this information is saved, so actually what I did is I just edited this record and save my information and it's saved back. Okay. Now, even I have this edit button also available over here from here. So you can call it as a buttons or um, actions basically. So I just put all these things, and now even if I want to put some kind of phone number, that is also available and I can put. So once I click on save, it's saved successfully and this information is available on our record page. Okay. So this is how we can create a record, edit a record. If I want to delete this record, that time also I will be just able to click on this arrow button, delete, and once I click on this delete button, this record will be deleted. So this is how we can create a record, edit a record, and delete a record. Okay. Now we are calling this page as a record page. Same way, if we go to this particular page, then this is the list view. Okay, we will call it as a list view page or list view, normal list view. Okay, so just understand it clearly, it will help you in future. As we created our account, in same fashion we can create contact also, and even we will be able to create other things also. Right now if you come up here, few things UI wise looking like little bit different, but actually at the end these are the same things in the backend. Okay, so now we are in our contacts list view page basically. Okay, and here we can navigate between this list view and uh, if I click on it right now, this is how it will look like. Okay, if I want to change it, I can again change it and go back to the same UI that we previously we were checking, but normally we will use this one because it will help us to learn very easily. So right now we are on our contacts list view page. Now we are clicking on new button. Once I click on the new button, I can just say Mr. and whatever the name, let's say Raghu, or let's say anything I can let's say Mukesh and Shram Rawat. Okay, in account we can select the previous account that we created, just Jagrati Gurukul, mobile number and all those things also we can give from our side as an information. And again here also all these things are fields only basically, or inputs basically, and we are just giving our information, and once we click on save, this record will be saved, and now we are again on the record page of contact. So we are on contacts record page. Again these are our buttons only or actions. So if you understand these things, basically these things are saying only uh, these are on different place, that's it. Okay, in next video we will understand it very clearly, what actually this is, how actually this is working, all those things will cover. But right now the thing that you need to understand is this is our record page basically. Okay, and if I click on here, then all the details or the fields that we have will be able to see it, and in the related these different things are available. Let's say there is a requirement that I want to upload this person's photo or anything, then I can just click on this notes and attachment. I can come up here and I can just pick anything and I can just upload it basically. So even this kind of functionality is available. So if you want to upload your document, images, or any kind of thing, then you can just utilize these notes and attachment and upload your photos. Okay, So this is how you can actually upload your photos. Now we do have an activity section. So over here, let's say if we are talking to someone and creating tasks, that these are the things I have to do it basically. Let's say I want to meet this person. Okay, so I'm just saying that I or need to meet him personally. Okay, so this is how basically you can just create the task for yourself or others. Will we will understand the concept of all these things, but right now I'm just showing you how you can make it basically. Okay, so this is how, like, we just created a task. Once I click on save, then a task will be created and it's coming up over here, say that today I need to meet this particular person personally. Okay, so, and even this will be there in our to do's list. So these are the things available. So this is how basically we can just create a task record. Basically, this is what actually I'm just showing in this video. Now, if I just had a call with him, then I can just log the call. I can put any subject. Can just say that he told me to meet personally. Okay, meet. That's it. Or even you can select anything over here. As of now, we are just understanding how we can just create these record and all those things. Now even I can create an event also. So I'm just saying, like, I have scheduled a meeting online. So for that one I can just put the pick the start date and time, uh, from which account is related to. All these things we can put it. Okay, and even I can save it. So this is how even we can create a event. If I want to send an email to this particular person, that is also possible. So over here I can just uh, like utilize this kind of thing, and in the to address I can put him his email address. If this email address is available over here, then it will just pick it from here. If it is not available, then we will just put it, and even we will be able to basically uh, send an email directly from Salesforce itself. Okay, so I can just say Maharishi Agastya Rawat @gmail.com. Okay, and once I send this email, in subject I can just say testing subject anything, and I can just send. Okay, related account, I can just pick anything and I will just send it. Now this email will be sent, and even will be able to see it over here. Okay, so all these information things are captured over here. We are able to see it. So this is how we can create the records and manage the activities that we understood in this video. So as an assignment, again, definitely in our sheet it will be available, but just create the 10 account record, and then 10 contact record, and create activities under that one. Okay, so this is your assignment. Just create all those things, and once you are ready, then will you can start the next uh, class. Okay, thank you so much for watching this complete video. We'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you. Jai Hind.